Hi there, I just want to recap doing image adjustment levels in Photoshop. I've got the image open already. I've got my layers panel open. If your view doesn't look like this, go to Window, Workspace, Reset Essentials. Okay, first things first, we need to unlock this layer. So it's got a little padlock icon over here on the right. If that's not clicked, we can't do anything. Now this window has become active, and we're going to click on the adjustment layer, which is a circle, half black, half white. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to choose levels. Then we get this little window here, which is called a histogram. If you can't see it, this is a slider on the side which lets you move it up and down depending on the size of your screen. Now this is giving us kind of color information across the whole image. On the left hand side it's showing us the darker sections. Over here on the right hand side it's showing us the highlights and lighter sections. There are these three triangles underneath the histogram. The left hand one covers this dark shadows areas, and if I drag this across, you'll see it gets darker and darker and darker until we've pretty much no detail but a nice silhouette. The one in the middle is the midtones of the image, and again if we turn it up, we're adjusting kind of the midtones so we can go really kind of exposed down to quite dark. And the right hand triangle is the highlights, which goes brighter and brighter and brighter until the image pretty much burns away. What we're looking at is really, can you see where this histogram kind of ramps down and it becomes flat here? This is basically where it runs out of information, and this bit on the right is just noise. So if we take the right hand arrow and drag it across to where that ends, and then just tweak this middle slider, we should end up with a reasonably well balanced image. But again, it's up to you how the image should look. You really want some good dark areas, some kind of light areas, and everything in between. But there's an element of personal taste. And then you're going to go File, Save a Copy, and save it out as a JPEG. Brilliant, thank you for watching.